UDA MP reacts as Rigathi says President Ruto amassed over cash 4 trillion wealth in 3 years. Keiyo South MP Gideon Kimayo has dismissed former Deputy President Rigathi Gachagwa's claims about President William Ruto's wealth. Rigathi alleged Ruto amassed over cash 4 trillion in 3 years, calling for Kenyans to vote for the opposition. Rigathi said Mount Kenya will unite against Ruto, citing betrayal, and the opposition will front one candidate against him. Kimayo asked how Rigathi knows Ruto's wealth, questioning if he is Ruto accountant. Kimayo also criticized PLP leader Martha Karua, accusing her of tribalism, and asked why Karua, CS Paul Mwite, and others were quiet during Uhuru's reign, but criticized Ruto. Subscribe ABK for more information.